Hi, welcome to the new video. In this video, I would like to show you how you can explain employee screen monitoring to your team and your company in a simple, transparent, and respectful way. So if you're a small or medium business owner or an IT service provider helping clients, this video is for you. Many companies hesitate to introduce monitoring because they are afraid of how employees will react. They, f- they worry that staff will feel controlled, watched, or that there is no more trust. On the other hand, you as a owner are responsible for data protection, misuse of company devices, productivity, and sometimes even legal obligations. Yeah, the key here is not to spy secretly and hope nobody finds out, but to communicate clearly that you are doing, why you are doing it, and what exactly is and is not being monitored. And in this video, I will give you a simple script you can use to explain the screen monitoring to your team. First, I'll read it out so you can hear how it sounds. Then you can adapt it to your situation in your country for your use case and your internal policies. And at the end, I will give you an introduction, show you how the installation works. So let's read it out. So what you could uh, the information you could give to your employees is the following. Today, I want to talk openly about how we use our company computers and why we are introducing screen monitoring. You begin, yeah? As a company, we are responsible for protecting customer data, company information, and making sure that work time on company devices is used for work. In the past, we have seen that it's very hard to judge what really happens on a company computer just from reports or spreadsheets. For this reason, we will be using a screen monitoring tool that shows us what is happening on company computers during working hours. What does that mean exactly? We can see the live screen of a computer, of a company computer, similar to a remote desktop view. We can watch in real time what is happening on the screen, and in some cases, we can also review certain screenshots in a history. What we do not do is we are not turning on your webcam or microphone. We are not listening to private conversations. We are not monitoring your personal devices at home, only company devices that belong to the companies. The goal is not to watch every click of every person all the day. The goal is to protect the company, our customers, and also the team from misuse, data leaks, and fake or incorrect reporting. We will focus on company PCs and company time. If you use company devices for private purposes, please be aware that the screen may still be visible in the tool. So we recommend keeping private use to a minimum or using your own private devices for that purpose. If you have questions or concerns, please talk to us. We prefer open conversation over misunderstandings. We will also follow the legal requirements in our country and our internal policies when using the system. That's it. That's an example. That was an example of how you could explain employee screen monitoring to your team in a calm and transparent way. But of course, disclaimer, you need to adapt this to your local laws, to your country, to your use case, to your internal policies and your company culture. This is not legal advice. What I'm giving you is not legal advice. So please take legal advice from your lawyer. Always check what is required in your country and talk to a lawyer or HR professional if you're unsure. So let's see how that works basically, what exactly that means. You see here the website of Wolfeye.co, Wolfeye Remote Screen software. Yeah. And basically how it works is that you install a small piece of software on each of the company's computer and will receive the After installing it, you receive the link to your dashboard. The dashboard will look like this. This is the demo dashboard. Okay, I can log out. You can visit this website. Here, the password is displayed because this is a demo. In reality, of course, no password is displayed. You log into your dashboard, and this is what you will see. In this case, it has been installed. Wolfeye Remote Screen software has been installed on 5 computers. So for each of the computers that you have installed it, you will see the live computer screen, Again, here you don't see the live screen, you see only dummy pictures because this is the demo dashboard. But in reality, you will see the live screen. And live screen means the following. Here you can see it. It's a screenshot that's updated every 2 to 3 seconds. Do you see here? And every 2 to 3 seconds here, here. A screenshot updated every 2 to 3 seconds. That way you will always see the actual screenshot. You could also take a closer look at one particular screen by clicking on one of these live links. Live, right mouse click and open in a new tab. And then in a new tab, the live screen of that particular computer opens. Again, this is only a dummy picture because this is the demo dashboard, but that's how it works. And what is disabled? Disabled is the screenshot history, and almost no companies use this because here you would have to adhere to more privacy policies. Yeah, you basically you could enable screenshot history. Yeah, if you do that, you will see the screenshot history for each of these computer screens. If you click on this history link, it opens in a new tab, and then you get the screenshot history. Every 5 minutes, a screenshot is saved. That's how it works. Again, here you only see dummy pictures because this is the demo version. So that's basically how it works. So come to our website, wolfeye.co, and you can read about more features if you go here down and click on features. Yeah, and so live screen in real time, optional screenshot history, but as I said, almost none are enabling it. Central dashboard, as I showed you, and of course it runs in the background, just that you are sure you do not interrupt the work if your work is during working hours. So it runs in the background. So this stealth mode is such a bad word, but basically in stealth mode. The only thing I wanted to tell you is how the screenshots are handled, because what this small piece of software does, it makes every 3 seconds a current screenshot of the monitored PC and then sends it out to the server of Wolfeye so that it can be shown on the dashboard, of course. Yeah. The previous screenshot is overwritten by the new one. So without the history feature enabled, we do not permanently store any screenshots, any data, any IP address, any names, any text, nothing. We do not store any data, also not the past screenshots. It is just that the screenshot is sent to the server, and then the newest screenshot replaces the old every 2 to 3 seconds. So nothing is stored in our servers, but the most recent screenshot, so to speak. Yeah, and the transmission is protected via HTTPS, so the TLS. That means the live screenshot and also the history array, if you would enable it on the server, can also or are protected with a password. And the technique is htaccess. Just that you know how it works, just that you know how this works. So please, if you would like to install it on your computer, come to our website wolfeye.co and click on this 14 days free trial button and book a live demo with us. In that live demo, I will send you the download link, and I will give you access to my dashboard because Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, so you can enter my dashboard and see my live screen to know exactly what you can expect. You will see my live screen. Yeah, what you will see, and after that you could, if you wanted, because I sent you the download link, install it on your computer, and I can even guide you in a Google Meet session. That means you share your screen and I guide you and you do the installation, or or I could even do the installation for you with AnyDesk you decide. Anyhow, please book a live demo, select the time zone that you're in, the day and the time, and because this will make sure we're probably in different time zones, and this will make sure that we both select the correct time, know exactly when the booking takes place. Okay, so, and I told you I will send you the download link, so to speak, and the download link, you download the software and it will land in your download folder. It's a zip file, you extract it, and that's the installation, the setup file of Wolfeye. The only thing I only want to show you how fast the setup and installation is. You double click the application and the setup, the installation wizard appears. You click on this install button and it installs Wolfeye. And then you hit on finish and Wolfeye is installed. That's it. And now you only have to set up correctly the software, and basically correctly means you hit two buttons. The first one is the green button that says share screen. You hit it, and then the moment you hit it, it will share the screen. And the second one is the stealth mode button, this blue button here. The moment you hit it, it will go into stealth mode, go into the background, continue to share the screen. I will show it to you. So you click the green button first, it turns red, it means already sharing the screen. Then the blue button, and it goes into background, so to speak. And the installation path is, just that you know it, is on C, users, public documents, and that's the software. Wolfeye creates a folder named W, and there's the installation, and the application is kernel W. You double click it, that's where you always will be able to stop it, to uninstall it and everything. Yeah, so that's how it works. Come to our website, wolfeye.co, book a live demo with us, with me, not with us. It will be with me. Very happy to get to know you. See you in the next video.